Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Toyota Camry timing belt. First, gather your essential tools, including a torque wrench, socket set, and a new timing belt kit. Safety is paramount, so always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents accidental starts and electrical issues. Having the right parts and tools on hand makes the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the engine covers and any accessory belts that obstruct access to the timing belt. Once clear, rotate the crankshaft by hand to align the timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshafts. This critical step ensures proper engine synchronization. After alignment, loosen the timing belt tensioner and gently remove the old belt, noting its original routing. Now, carefully install the new timing belt, making sure the timing marks remain perfectly aligned throughout the process. It's crucial that the belt is taut between the camshaft sprockets to prevent slack. Once the belt is in place, install the new timing belt tensioner and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque. Double-check all alignments before proceeding to the next steps. Finally, rotate the crankshaft 2 full turns by hand and recheck all timing marks to confirm they still align perfectly. This verifies correct installation. Then, reassemble all the components you removed, including the accessory belts and engine covers. Remember to reconnect the battery. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.